Intecplan is a software that creates a complete business plan for you. It uses artificial intelligence and industry databases to generate a detailed financial forecast with actual data, along with the written business plan. When you open it for the first time, it asks you to select the language, country, and currency. The software can produce the project in 5 languages, and if you need another, it's easy to translate the files. You can also choose or add any currency for your forecasts. Next, you'll see the business plan setup screen, where you enter the sector, for example, construction, manufacturing, or retail, the subsector, such as food processing, electronics, or chemicals, and the annual revenue range that determines the size of your project. Click. Now let artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting, saving you weeks or even months of work. The financial forecast is generated in Excel and includes revenue, investment, and expense budgets, as well as a financial evaluation with profitability metrics, net present value, internal rate of return, payback period, and projected financial statements. All figures are based on actual data from more than 200 up-to-date industry databases processed with artificial intelligence. From these forecasts, and based on your parameters for date, country, sector, subsector, and revenue, AI generates the written version of your business plan in Word. Your business plan includes the narrative, guiding questions, images, and tables summarizing the financial forecast. It's much easier to edit and tailor the content to your products and strategy than starting from scratch, and you get a more polished, professional result. The entire project is produced in Excel and Word, in AI-friendly formats that make editing, development, and updates simple. Your projects can be saved as ISBN files or directly as Office documents. You'll also have access to an online manual that includes definitions, examples, and videos explaining key financial concepts and how they were applied in both the forecast and the plan. Purchase your license today for instant download, and you can have your first business plan review ready today. Visit our website to learn more and reach out if you have any questions.